Welcome to the Cottage Decor channel, where we bring vintage charm and timeless beauty into your home with budget-friendly inspiration. Today's video is all about transforming your space into a cozy farmhouse or country cottage haven without breaking the bank. Whether you're renovating your entire house or just looking to add a few personal touches, we have plenty of ideas to inspire your next project. If you love the rustic, vintage vibes of farmhouse or country cottage style, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite idea. The living room is often the heart of the home, and creating a space that feels warm and inviting is key. Start by looking for vintage furniture pieces like wooden coffee tables, rocking chairs, or distressed armchairs. These elements can instantly elevate the space and give it that farmhouse charm. Pair them with soft throw blankets, vintage clocks, and weathered shelves to add personality. You don't have to splurge on brand new items when thrift stores and flea markets are full of affordable treasures waiting to be upcycled. The kitchen is where memories are made, and adding a country cottage vibe is all about simplicity and warmth. You can achieve this with classic touches like enamelware, mason jars, and wooden serving trays. Consider painting your cabinets a soft, neutral color, or even adding a pop of soft blue or green for a refreshing touch. For extra charm, add open shelving with rustic dishes or vintage tea kettles for a lived-in, cozy feel. Don't forget some fresh flowers in a mason jar to brighten up the space. A farmhouse-style dining room is perfect for casual family meals or elegant dinner parties. Start with a large wooden dining table, which can be found at affordable prices from local thrift stores or second-hand shops. Pair it with mismatched chairs for that charming, lived-in look. To bring in more farmhouse vibes, add a vintage-inspired light fixture or a simple linen table runner. The key to keeping it budget-friendly is looking for natural, rustic elements that stand out without requiring an expensive investment. For a dreamy country cottage bedroom, start by focusing on soft textures. Opt for vintage-style quilts, lace curtains, and floral bed linens to create a relaxing retreat. If you're on a budget, you can find vintage bedding at local thrift stores or flea markets, or even repurpose older pieces. Wooden or wrought iron bed frames, which can be found secondhand or even made from reclaimed wood, also add that rustic charm without costing a fortune. It's all about layering and creating a peaceful environment that feels both nostalgic and calming. The bathroom may be small, but it can still shine with farmhouse charm. Start by incorporating vintage mirrors, wooden shelves, and antique soap dispensers to bring in that rustic style. A wood ladder can be a great storage solution for towels, and small woven baskets are perfect for keeping toiletries organized. Choose soft, muted tones like whites, grays, and soft blues to keep the space feeling fresh and airy. You'd be surprised how much impact a few simple, budget-friendly touches can make in this small but important space. The entryway is the first impression guests will have of your home, so why not make it as charming as possible? Add a vintage wooden bench, an old-fashioned coat rack, or a rustic console table for a warm welcome. For an extra farmhouse touch, use old crates or wooden baskets to store shoes, hats, or scarves. A simple chalkboard sign or an old window frame as artwork can tie the whole look together without breaking the bank. Remember, simplicity is key when creating a budget-friendly entryway that feels warm and inviting. When decorating with a farmhouse or country cottage style, rustic accents are a must. Think reclaimed wood, distressed metal, and antique lanterns. These elements can work in any room and bring a sense of authenticity. For example, an old wooden tray can be used as a centerpiece on your coffee table, or a vintage metal sign can add personality to your kitchen. When it comes to budget-friendly decorating, choosing these rustic accents is a great way to achieve that farmhouse look without the need for expensive renovations. You don't need to spend a fortune on decor when you can create your own DIY farmhouse-inspired pieces. Try your hand at making a distressed wood sign with a favorite quote, or even repurpose old furniture by giving it a fresh coat of paint. You can also create your own floral arrangements using dried flowers or pick up inexpensive fabric to make pillow covers. DIY projects are a fun and affordable way to add unique, personal touches to your home, giving it that special farmhouse character. Achieving the farmhouse or country cottage aesthetic doesn't have to be expensive. By incorporating vintage finds, affordable DIY projects, and a few key elements like distressed wood and soft textures, you can create a warm, inviting home that feels both timeless and unique. I hope today's video has inspired you to start decorating with budget-friendly ideas that still bring that cozy, rustic charm into every room. Don't forget to subscribe to Cottage Decor, like this video, and drop a comment letting us know what your favorite budget-friendly tip was. See you in the next one.